Looking for the best drum machines of 2025? Whether you're a pro producer or just starting, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drum machines that deliver powerful beats, top-notch features, and endless creativity. Want to know the prices? Check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Stick around till the end to find the perfect rhythm companion for your music. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Multimedia UNO drum, a versatile drum machine that blends analog warmth with digital precision. This portable powerhouse features 6 analog voices and a 64-step sequencer, allowing you to craft intricate beats with ease. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned producer, the UNO drum provides a simple, intuitive interface, perfect for exploring and experimenting with drum sounds. It comes with 100 pattern presets, offering a wide range of rhythms right out of the box. The device is also battery-powered, making it an excellent option for music creation on the go, whether you're in the studio or traveling. Additionally, its USB and 2.5mm MIDI connectivity options ensure seamless integration with your existing setup. Its compact size doesn't sacrifice sound quality, delivering crisp, punchy drum sounds suitable for a variety of genres. Whether you're producing electronic beats or looking for a reliable live performance tool, the Multimedia UNO drum is a solid choice for musicians on the move. Coming in at number 4, the Arturia DrumBrute Impact is a powerhouse for those who crave a truly analog experience. This compact drum machine offers 10 drum sounds with full analog circuitry, delivering raw, punchy, and highly customizable beats. The DrumBrute Impact stands out for its powerful sequencer, featuring 64-step patterns that allow for complex and evolving rhythms. You can easily adjust the tone, pitch, and decay of each sound, giving you full control over your sonic landscape. A standout feature is its accent feature, which adds dynamic variation to your beats for a more expressive performance. Whether you're looking to make deep bass kicks or sharp hi-hats, the DrumBrute Impact delivers rich analog sound with plenty of room for creative exploration. With MIDI and CD/gate connectivity, it integrates effortlessly into any modular setup or DAW-based production environment. For those seeking the analog warmth and punch of a drum machine without breaking the bank, the Arturia DrumBrute Impact is an affordable, high-quality option for producers. At number 3, we have the Native Instruments Machine Mk3 Drum Controller, a top choice for both beginners and experienced producers alike. This powerful drum controller combines software and hardware in one sleek package, offering 16 highly responsive RGB pads that make finger drumming a breeze. It also boasts superior sound libraries, providing everything from classic drum kits to modern electronic beats, perfect for any genre. The Machine Mk3 features a high-resolution display, allowing you to work seamlessly with its software to design, arrange, and manipulate your beats. With built-in effects, a step sequencer, and multiple sound layering options, it's ideal for those looking to produce dynamic drum patterns. The intuitive layout, combined with its robust integration with DAWs like Ableton Live and Logic, ensures smooth workflow, making it an essential tool for any studio. The Machine Mk3 doesn't just serve as a drum machine, it's a comprehensive music production unit that blends creativity and ease of use, making it a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. At number 2, we have the Korg Volca Drum Digital Percussion Synthesizer, a powerful and compact drum machine that packs a punch in both performance and portability. This 16-step sequencer allows for intricate beatmaking, perfect for creating everything from lo-fi beats to industrial rhythms. The active step function gives you even more flexibility, letting you manipulate the sequence in real time for unique sound shaping. Powered by digital synthesis, the Volca drum offers a wide range of tonal possibilities, allowing you to generate everything from punchy kicks to metallic snares and shimmering hi-hats. Despite its small size, it delivers rich, punchy sounds that can easily compete with larger, more expensive drum machines. The built-in reverb and delay effects also let you enhance your beats on the fly, adding depth and texture to your tracks. Whether you're performing live or building beats in the studio, the Korg Volca drum is the perfect choice for those looking to explore new sonic territory without breaking the bank. It's versatile, compact, and full of creative potential. Taking the top spot is the Roland AIRA Rhythm Performer TR8S, a drum machine that combines cutting-edge digital technology with the legendary sound of classic Roland drum machines. With 128 built-in patterns, the TR8S offers unparalleled flexibility for live performances and studio production. It features a wide variety of drum sounds, including iconic sounds from the TR808, TR909, and TR606, alongside modern hits, giving you a diverse toolkit for creating beats across genres. The 16-step sequencer allows for easy beat programming, and the intuitive interface makes tweaking your sound on the fly a breeze. Plus, the high-quality effects like reverb, delay, and distortion let you shape your sounds exactly how you want them. The TR8S also offers sample import capabilities, so you can load your own sounds and create even more personalized rhythms. Built with performance in mind, it's not just a studio tool. Its robust construction and easy-to-use design make it perfect for the live performer looking to take their set to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, the Roland AIRA TR8S delivers unrivaled power and precision. That's it for today's countdown of the top 5 best drum machines of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Want the best deals? Check the links in the description below. See you next time.